Alright, YouTube, right now this seat is giving me a massage. I'm in the 2026 Cadillac Mystique, which is an all-electric vehicle, and I put it on massage. I'm doing Mead. Let me go back. It's right there, and then massage. Let's try Wave. Oh yeah, that feels pretty good. Relief. Oh, that's in the bottom. That would be nice while you're driving long distances. Oh yeah. Glide. Ooh, it goes from the top down. You and your passenger can get one. I'm not too sure why the passenger would need one. I guess maybe sitting for a long time, but completely awesome.